Hey guys, this is CJ Estrada and welcome back to my channel. So it's been a while since I posted a travel vlog and a vlog in my YouTube channel, so welcome back. We are currently here at North Bus Terminal and we are heading to San Remigio, and we're going to Orongan Beach. I don't know if it's a resort or a public beach. So I'm with the gang and this is actually my first vlog since I had a short break. So let's go check it out. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe and share peace and love. Let's go. Okay, I obviously have a bad hair day. I haven't had a chance to have my hair cut. So probably after this trip, maybe next week. So let's go to San Remigio. Let's go beaching because it's summer. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe and leave no trace. Share peace and love. Let's go. Hey guys, time check. It's 4:45 and we are now here at the San Remigio Public Market. And ako kabawon sa buwato na mo dito. I think umalis pa sila kumakaon. Asa di sila? Lang uy. Wala lagi sila. Ano lagi biya? Ano ta? Tara di ay. To always get me through the day. Hi, suwain na sunset. Gabayan namin karon. Kinapamid diri sa San Remigio. Sa sentro nila, layo-layo pa kayo ang barangay for the Orongan Beach Resort. Hopefully it's a good weather tomorrow and tonight so that we can see a beautiful clear sky tomorrow and a beautiful sea. Time check 5:15 and we're almost there. So after 30 minutes, marami dali sa Orongan Beach and wala na, nag-set na ni red ng sky, mga takaabot wala.
Wala pa diyan. Hindi ta nag-lighter.
Wala pa rin gamay ko.
And I think to myself, what a wonderful world. What a wonderful world.
Hey guys, so we are now here at Orongan and we're gonna pitch our tent and it costs us 100 pesos per head for overnight stay and another 100 pesos for our tent for 2 to 3 persons. And then luckily, namin kami nakita ka sunset kanina. We're gonna pitch our tents now kay magluto na sila daw. So, dahan kay pagkaon diri sila niya amutang pista mo kay birthday ni Mayor. Birthday ni Mayor nga nag-pitch og tent. So, matabas ako pitch og tent. Let's go! Ay, kaigang, so man ako pitch at maraming pitch at tent. Kaya, iabangan ko. Then, kidin. Kaya, igang kayo so nang itrigpan ko.
Kumaka lang ang animal, oh. Huy! Huy, bawal na! Bawal na!
Idol na biya kasi ang mama.
Pitsa man.
Mama na ko. Hi, ma!
Ay, mama siya.
Artista na ko.
Blow the candle. Dali, pag-blow daw yung gihok kibin.
Mga una! Ngit-ngit kayo! Let's eat!
Ay, Happy birthday.
You're drunk,
Ay, ako lagi sa cake. I'm not drunk, eh.
Go, no. Ipahamon.
Okay.
Feel you.
Feel.
You feel the cake.
Ay, feel.
Feel, look. Look.
Dahil ang cake ka na lang. Napiyong siya nagkaon.
Oh my God.
Good morning, everybody. I am CJ Shara. I am sober right now, but akong tingnan ka nagkot-kot halang. Nagka-hyperacidity ko. I don't know what happened. Kaya inom na ako. Mag-hyperacidity naman ako. Just drink a lot of water. We are still here at Orongan Beach Resort. It's the longest shoreline here in Cebu City, here at San Remigio. And everybody's still asleep, except those guys, those shutterbugs nga. Put your picture over there, and then the sun is coming up, but it's on the other side of the island, so it's not that hot here. I am still sleepy. I know. It's my face right there.
We are here at San Remigio, and CJ is dead.
Baku dead, eh?
From the Tagay. Pagkakita na siya si Kevin.
Wala ka nakauna.
Oh. And the winner of Oscars and Grammy for Best in Talent goes to Katrina. Are you alright, CJ? I'm really not amusing your necks.
My face is so itchy. It's so hot.
Ako bantay mo ang nagpaon. Kaya kalikay ba ka dito ya tugpa.
Oh, wala ako yung sa paon, si Fredo, si Kevin.
Nasaan ang kilay ni Ophelia?
Look at all yun. Pati ano ni mo ngaway kilay.
Yawa ka.
Kainumdum pa ba ka?
Singing like a rock star.
My eyes are so...
Disabled na rin, oh. So, dito sa Orongan Beach Resort. Nasa na CR. Nandito ang tubig, hindi ko mo agas. Hindi kayo nagas, kadaghan mo kayo nag-ligoron. Tapos like kitchen, like sa likod. Nya. Diri pwede na magluto na magsugba, kahoy or uling. Nya. Nag-shower na siya. Time check, it's 11 in the morning and pwede na sagway ligo. Sagway ligo nga tarong. So in case you want to go here, you may take a bus from North Bus Terminal to San Remigio, and then if you want to have last buy, you can go to the public market and then ride a trike for 25 pesos. Going here at the Orongan Beach Resort. You can loto over there. You can ligo, bisag kumay tubig. You can swing, you can chill, and of course you can enjoy the beach over there. And of course, enjoy the company. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.
Share, peace, and love!